If your garden looked like a battlefield thanks to birds, you're an Australian farmer in 1932. In 1932, Australia declared war on, wait for it, emus. Yes, those tall, flightless and incredibly stubborn birds. These feathery fiends were gobbling up crops like it was an all-you-can-eat buffet. Farmers were desperate, so the government sent in the military. Armed with machine guns, soldiers thought it'd be an easy victory. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. The emus were surprisingly crafty, dodging bullets like pros. The emus? They strutted off, victorious. And thus, the Great Emu War ended in one of history's most hilarious defeats, factibulous.